It is one of the rare YouTube channels that I have watched almost every video for years, the channel of Erik Van Conover. Literally one of the nicest and most polite YouTube big guys that you can see. Not a single bad word or wrong behavior in his 8 years of regular video posting. And those videos were personal too, not only professional. He definitely spread positivity. Erik promoted a healthy life, a healthy body, but also a healthy mind. He promoted that people go to a gym, but also to a therapist since he had anxiety problems like many people do. But he never complained and he pushed forward. You all can check this out. Erik is now arrested. He did not stop when an officer wanted to stop him for speeding. Erik obviously had a bad day and he snapped. It's clear he had a moment of distress. There is no way that he wanted to murder an officer or anything similar. There is no way that he even wanted things to escalate from a simple speeding ticket to anything more. His bad day and anxiety were just given a space to manifest in a place where it should not. That is what happened. He did not intend to harm anyone, let alone commit attempted murder. He could be charged with reckless driving or disobeying the officer, but attempted murder? For sure not. Not even close to that. Hoping to see that Erik is out of jail as soon as possible and a new video on his channel from New York streets.